In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Interactive Brokers Risk Navigator. This tool helps you see how your profit, loss, and overall exposure might change before you place a trade, so you can make more informed decisions with fewer surprises. Start by opening Trader Workstation, often called TWS. Once it's up, go to New Window and choose New What If under Risk Navigator. This creates a temporary hypothetical portfolio that won't affect your live positions, which makes it perfect for testing ideas safely. Next, add a position to your what-if portfolio. Type the symbol you want, select the correct instrument type, stock, option, or future, and enter the quantity. Use positive numbers for long positions and negative numbers for short positions. If you're working with options, make sure you've selected the right expiration and strike. It helps to start with realistic sizes so the results match how you actually trade. As soon as you add positions, Risk Navigator shows how your risk changes before trading. You'll see estimated profit and loss, margin impact, and exposure metrics update instantly. Keep in mind these are model-based estimates, not guarantees, but they're very useful guides for comparing choices and stress testing your plan. To visualize outcomes, open the plot viewer. This brings up the risk graph, where the horizontal axis represents the underlying price and the vertical axis shows your profit or loss. If the price moves up, follow the curve to the right. If it drops, move to the left. The shape of the curve tells a story. A straight line suggests a stock position, while a curved line often indicates options with convexity. Look for where the line crosses the zero mark to spot break-even areas. Hovering over the plot typically shows exact values at specific prices, which helps you fine-tune your assumptions. Now, run scenarios to explore what could happen under different market conditions. Change the price to test targets or drawdowns and see how your P&L shifts. Adjust volatility to simulate calmer or more turbulent markets. This is especially important for options, where higher implied volatility often boosts premium values. Then move the date forward to understand time decay and how your position might evolve as expiration approaches. Advancing the date is a great way to observe theta effects and the interplay between time and volatility. If a scenario goes off track, reset to the base case and try again. Repeat this process until the graph and numbers align with your risk tolerance and strategy. Used consistently, Risk Navigator can turn uncertainty into a clear, testable plan before you trade.